Yeah.
Does a lot of damage.
That is a significant amount of damage.
That was pretty much all full health as well.
My fucking god, is this a good divination? It's impossible. What? Shut up. Yeah, shut up.
I start coughing and immediately fucking Ray shouts at me, Corona. Fuck off. Just have a cough.
And it's not impossible.
Don't
Just-
have Corona.
Impossible!
Oh,
It's not that bad.
yeah. Just kind of like dropped super fast.
It was literally just about to do it, so.
Um. Oh, there's pizza today. I'm starting to smell it.
Practice head and soul.
Okay,
Jesus Christ.
who's gonna help you?
I actually had my hitbox outside of it. I was dead. Lala
That's why I'm
felt
saying
privileged.
practice it. The better you know it, the more you can do cheeky shit like that.
I thought I was not even close to it, but yeah.
Indian stack.
First doom.
Fire out. Stack then out.
Okay.
I got him.
Second. Who's first? Okay.
Fire in. Claw.
What I do?
Spread then in. In. Thunders. I'm
Last.
first.
Second. One, two, three.
Yo, look at
Any
that
more
shield.
shield? I mean, whatever.
1, 2,
So
3.
dumb.
It's a dive, then stack.
Oh, okay, I can't
Stack,
do
stack.
I'm gonna
You guys
bubble
be
this.
okay?
Yeah, but I have nothing now. I'm gonna raise him.
Okay.
that. No, I got rest.
LB3.
Oh, nice, brink of memes.
Oh, I'll be 3, thank god.
Stack, then in.
Oh yeah, of course, why not?
And you can't have it
Stay.
both ways.
Well, I didn't want MP anyway.
Same.
Yeah, sorry, I need to change how I do
You
that.
don't need to heal. Save your MP.
Ah,
Flare breath. I always thin air doing that, so I had 0 MP cost. So if we have tank LB3, you literally don't have to heal at all.
okay.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
Got mine.
Watch James.
Stay in the star, please. Everyone.
Fuck that. Okay, I'm done.
Well,
Latin.
To be honest, I need to hit the boss, so I'm not gonna not go for it.
Middle.
Blackfire.
I
Tower.
have Mega Force.
careful with the bleed.
Away from Sands. Middle.
Look at Bahamut, remember.
Yeah.
He's right.
In, then spread. Spread.
Where am I going?
Norling.
In. Spread.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, it was the thing. Someone...
Here you go.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah, I was quite far away from the thing. I should have just shoot you.
I will heal LB3.
LB3? Yeah,
Doing it now.
fine, we can practice thingy.
Latin. Middle. Twister.
So third one along. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh,
It's
you
alright.
guys are hero.
Start moving.
Woo!
2, 3.
Oh,
Okay, we
my
collapse.
Fireball.
Mid.
Stack, guys.
Nice. Very
Here you
good.
go.
Yoga.
My
I
boy.
mean, we have
Rising.
shield.
Right, triple
Okay.
flare
That's good.
breath. It's on James.
Away from James, away from James, away from James.
Oh,
he's got
Hongang?
Oh, okay.
back a snipe. Doesn't know.
Tenstrike.
And now we die.
Yep.
Nah,
Now
it's
we die here.
We die here.
I hope you like the hatches.
Double hatch.
Okay, so
okay.
you guys. Okay, so we have to intercept it, don't we?
Yeah.
fine. The second
Ah.
one, not the first.
Oh, the second
Oh
one. not the first.
no!
Yeah, no, you take
Yeah.
the first, then you go out, and then someone is